Do you make common mistakes while speaking English? So, this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Kumudini and you are watching my English channel Learner to Learner, where I upload English content videos that is useful to learners who are keen interest to learn this language. So without delay, we are going to start our today's video. Today's video is very interesting for. So friends, in this video I am going to share seven common mistakes. Mostly beginner who are beginner in English, they make mistakes while speaking English. These are the common mistakes. So in this video we are going to share all the things. Yes, that is a simple things I know everyone know also. But after that they make mistakes. So for that, this video is for helpful to those people who are make small mistakes, silly mistakes you can say. If you want to speak English correctly and if you want to speak English confidently, so fix these all important points, then you will never make these small mistakes. Okay, don't say I did my homework yesterday night. Instead of you can say I did my homework last night. Yesterday night is also okay, that is not a fully wrong, but if you say I did my homework last night, it is a correct English. Okay, in this way you can improve your spoken English. That is very important. That's why you can speak English right way or correct way. Okay, yesterday night is also okay, but last night is a formal English and this is a perfect English. In this way you can improve our English. Yes, in my earlier time, in my initial stage, I used to also same things. Yes, so that is important, you use your English in a correct way. But before dive into this video, I would like to say one more things. If you are practicing English and you are in an initial stage and you are a beginner, so don't fear about the mistakes. If you are make mistakes while speaking, it's okay. Yes, but if you are intermediate level and you are a teacher, that time you have to speak English in correct way. So for them this video is okay. But if you are listening me and you are watching this video, but you are in a beginner stage and while speaking you make mistakes, it's okay. Don't worry about that. After whenever you are good in English, after that you can try to speak correct English. Okay, so our second sentence, don't say she don't like coffee. Instead of you must say she does not like coffee. Whenever she or he eat, you use in a present tense does not, does. Okay, don't say do. Do we can use with they, we, I. Okay, now our third sentence is, don't say always I am feeling hungry. Instead of you can say I am hungry. Yes, simple English, yes, simple English is better English. Yes, simple English is always better English. Now our fourth sentence is, don't say I am going to home. Instead of you can say I am going home. There is to is unnecessary to use with that sentence. Okay, so you can say I am going home. There is no need to use to. Okay, now our fifth sentence is, he is having two brothers. He is having two sisters. Yes, that is a wrong sentence. Instead of you say he has two brothers, she has two brothers. Okay, and whenever I have two brothers. Okay, this is a correct way. Don't say he is having or she is having. Yes, instead of you can say she has two brothers, I have two brothers. Yes, this is very important. Don't say mistake English. You have to speak English correctly. That is very important. Okay, don't say I have go to market. You can say I have to go to the market. Yes, I have to go to the market. Don't forget, use the before market. Yes, now our last sentence is, don't say return back, because return and back both are same meaning. So instead of you can say come back, come return back, that is not necessary. Use return again. Okay, so in this way these are mostly simple and silly mistakes mostly learners speak while speaking. Yes, so these are the common mistakes. In this way you can improve your spoken English. Whenever you practice it and you use it in your daily communication, yes, definitely you will be improve your spoken skill. In this way you can improve your spoken English. Try to speak English in a correct way. Start with simple English. Simple English is better English. Yes, now you can repeat me all the sentence after me. Okay, in this way you can improve your spoken English and you speak English perfectly and you speak English correctly. Our first sentence is, I did my homework last night. I did my homework last night. Second sentence, she does not like coffee. She does not like coffee. Third sentence, I am hungry. I am hungry. Fourth sentence, I am going home. I am going home. Fifth, he has two brothers. He has two brothers. I have to go to the market. I have to go to the market. Now our last and seventh sentence is, come return back. No, don't say come return back. Say come back. Come back. These are all 7 sentences. All 7 sentences are very easy and simple. Always try to speak simple English. That is very important. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget, please friends, follow me for more videos. We will see you again with such a new and nice video. So till then, bye bye. Take care.